Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force 3rd Mile Upper Shillong.
Kibor pulit ko umyang police station haka puar saw shitengi ay haka step hangap jaka arpo tere urisaw ahaja arpuar layo jingte baladan kawe ka kali kamay kabadan yung number ML not san y nyo san lai kabla shi Iehnoh bat peniang halor ka Jingkieng Dam mar ki pulit kilalay chakte ka jaka banlap ekate ka kali kabla Iehnoh do NONGñIAH haka jingjurup ki pulit lalap bau shabi udan hapo ka kali bar Hadien lalap ru ka mobile phone kawe ka jacket ka pin Suba Noh ki pulit ba iman NONGñIAH kani ka kali ula noya beladi hapo ka pung umyam dalor ka te ka Jingkieng kani ka kali kamay ka de ka blanya do ba skembor lang kharwan lang uban ka shnong maulai mautawar namar ka jing Suba bo NONGñIAH ula noya ha ka te ka dam ki pulit ka umyam police station ringkat ki pulit ka fire and emergency service lambat ki special rescue team kila poi ka te ka jaka ban peloy ka jingwat ikamet jong NONGñIAH Henry hadu basap ka singi kimshim la lap satya bat ki pulit ki nang beteng barwat hak arpoi terek urisaw layo jingte bru bana kaliang ki bahayeng ken sa ujo da ki ijahar halor ka jingjak lab uteu NONGñIAH